Hi guys, welcome back to Kasui Cook. It's a nice beautiful day, and so today we're gonna do some barbecue, but we're gonna do it very different using the oven. We're not gonna grill it. Payush, we need to get some drink. Get some drink on. Oh yeah, so super. Nice. So let's get started. Here is my mbuzi ribs. It's 1 kg. I had already marinated it the day before yesterday. So there it is. It was marinated in olive oil, rosemary leaves, cumin, mixed spices, and a little bit of salt. Since it's already been marinated, I'll take my pan, place them gently. They are marinated both sides. Place them gently in the foil, on the foil, in the pan, and then I'll cover it. I want to cover it. Cover everywhere. No. Let me put this in the oven. We need to bake this, and then you'll have nyama. Sawa, Mr. Smoky. Off. Then we'll bake it for 45 to 1 hour, and then we'll see. I'll come and change it later when it's done. I've already chopped my onions for kachumbari. So if you want to remove the bitterness, what you do, you get some water, some salt, or some white vinegar. If you don't have the vinegar, salt is okay. You can use salt, which is cheaper and easier to use. So take some good amount of salt, dissolve in your water. Then take in your onions, let them soak there for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you'll remove the salty water. They'll let it soak for a few minutes, and then you can drain the water, and your onions will be stench free and not bitter when you eat them. Now we'll chop our tomatoes. You can cut them in small cubes, whichever size you want. Feel free, you don't have to cut them any size you want. You can also remove the seeds if you don't want, but I like my kachumbari with a little bit of some tomato juice. That's done. Get some pili. Chop them into small pieces. Some dhania. Hi, Smokey. Then I think our onions have soaked enough, so we're gonna drain the water. Then mix everything in a bowl. Then mix everything together. You can add in some more chili if you like your kachumbari spicy, and squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice to have that tangy taste. I like having my kachumbari chilled nice and cold because it goes well with the nyama choma and the ugali. So I'll put it in the fridge, let it be chilled for a few minutes before serving. That is that. So I've just removed the meat from the oven. It's from the foil paper and everything else. I've cut it into slices. I'm going to apply this honey barbecue sauce, and then I'll return it to the oven. Because it's too sweet, I don't want it very, very sweet because of the honey in the sauce. So once that's done, take my rack, place them nicely on the rack, and then put it back in the oven. I'll let it stay there for 10 to 15 minutes for the sauce to cook.